Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a small but incredibly useful wooden craft idea that blends functionality with creativity: wooden key holders. Now you might think key holders are just a place to hang your keys and forget about them. But when crafted thoughtfully from wood, they become more than just storage. They can be a piece of art, an organizational tool, and even a reflection of your personal style. Wooden key holders stand out because of their warmth and timeless appeal. Unlike metal or plastic, wood adds character, texture, and a sense of coziness to your entryway or workspace. They're not just practical, they create a natural focal point the moment you walk into a room. Wood also offers endless customization. You can leave it rustic and raw, polish it for a sleek modern finish, or paint and carve it to fit your home's theme. The material ages beautifully, often developing a patina that makes it feel more personal and storied over time. What makes wooden key holders so interesting is how they blend form and function. At the basic level, they keep your keys in one place. No more frantic searching before leaving the house. But beyond that, they can double as organizers with hooks for bags, shelves for mail, or even tiny cubbies for sunglasses and wallets. Think of it this way: a wooden key holder is not just storage, it is a part of your daily ritual. Hanging up your keys becomes a grounding habit. And when the holder itself looks beautiful, this simple act adds a little joy to your day. The beauty of wooden key holders is in their versatility. They can be minimalist with clean lines that merge seamlessly into modern decor. Or they can be rustic, full of natural knots and textures that bring the outdoors inside. Some people prefer quirky and playful designs that spark conversation, while others love elegant and understated holders that almost disappear into the wall. Whether your home leans towards farmhouse charm, industrial vibes, or urban minimalism, wood has the ability to adapt and enhance the mood. It is like a chameleon, versatile enough to fit any space, yet distinct enough to make a statement. Another exciting part about wooden key holders is how accessible they are as DIY projects. Even with basic woodworking skills, you can create something functional and stylish. You can experiment with finishes, stains, or even mix wood with metal or rope for added character. For those who enjoy personal touches, engraving names, initials, or even inspirational quotes into the holder can turn it into something deeply meaningful. And if sustainability matters to you, reclaimed or scrap wood can be repurposed into key holders, giving old materials a brand new life while reducing waste. So whether you buy one, craft your own, or repurpose old wood into something fresh, wooden key holders are more than just a utility item. They're an opportunity to bring beauty, order, and a touch of personality into your everyday life. Sometimes it is the smallest details, like where you hang your keys, that can make a home feel truly complete. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this exploration of wooden key holder ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more inspiration. So until next time, happy decorating.